What if I told you that you could tap into a market worth millions right from your own home? No massive studio, no team of animators needed? Well, today we're going to break down how AI is making that an absolute reality for anyone who wants to create kids' cartoons.
Just look at this number, $1 million. That's what a single kids animation channel on YouTube made in 1 month. It's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it.
And this isn't some one-hit wonder either. Here's another educational channel that pulled in over 188 grand just last month. For years, this huge market was basically the private playground for big studios. But oh yeah, that is all changing.
So what was stopping everyone before? Well, it was the big three: time, skill, and a whole lot of money. The key to unlocking this whole world now isn't about spending years learning crazy complex software or hiring an expensive team. Nope, it's something way more accessible.
It's all about one thing: artificial intelligence. AI has completely flipped the script, turning a process that used to take months into something you can literally do in minutes. So how does this actually work? Let's get into it step by step.
Okay, so first things first, the foundation for your entire channel. And here's the kind of surprising part. It has absolutely nothing to do with animation. It's all about finding an idea that already has a massive audience of kids just waiting for it.
For this part, we're going to use a tool you probably already have open in another tab: ChatGPT. Seriously, think of it as your own personal brainstorming partner that literally never runs out of ideas, and it's free.
For instance, you can just ask it, hey, what are the most popular categories for kids' cartoons? And boom, it'll spit out a list just like this one, packed with proven concepts that are already getting millions and millions of views. It gives you the perfect launchpad for your channel.
So the simple little three-step loop all happening right inside ChatGPT is the heart of our creative engine. You go from a completely blank page to a super detailed, ready-to-animate video concept. It just takes all the guesswork out of the equation.
All right, now that we've got our master prompt, this is where the real magic happens. It's time to turn all those words into a living, breathing animation. The tool that makes this all possible is called InVideo AI. And trust me, it's unbelievably simple. You just take that detailed prompt we got from ChatGPT, you paste it in, and the AI just gets to work, building your entire animated video for you, scene by scene. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. The workflow that would take a professional animator weeks, maybe even months, is now compressed into the time it takes you to go grab a coffee. That's not just an improvement, it's a complete revolution.
And this is what's so incredible about this new way of working. The prompt, it's everything. It's not just a script, it's the entire blueprint. It tells the AI exactly what to create, from the characters and what they're doing to the visual style and even the music. It's your director, your animator, and your sound designer all rolled into one.
Okay, but what if the AI's first draft isn't, perfect? What if you want to change things? Well, that's where this gets really powerful, because making changes is ridiculously intuitive. Forget about complicated editing timelines and keyframes. You just type what you want to change. You can literally tell the AI in plain English, hey, make the music more cheerful and exciting. And it just does it. It's incredible. Then get this, you can even give your channel a unique voice, literally. With the voice cloning feature, you just record a short sample of your own voice, and the AI can then use it to narrate all of your videos. This is an absolute game changer for creating a personal, recognizable brand.
And you're not just limited to English. With another simple text command, you can translate and redub your entire video into over 50 languages. This instantly opens up a massive global audience that, until now, was pretty much impossible for small creators to ever reach.
So, you've got your finished, polished animation. It looks great, it sounds great. Now for the final piece of the puzzle: launching it on YouTube and getting it in front of that global audience.
But look, making an amazing video is only half the battle on YouTube. Getting people to actually see it is the other half of the puzzle. Success really depends on mastering your titles, descriptions, and thumbnails, and of course being consistent. And yep, you guessed it, AI can help streamline this entire part of the process too.
So when you boil it all down, this is your entire creator toolkit. It's that simple. You've got ChatGPT acting as your creative director for ideas and prompts, InVideo AI is your entire animation studio, and then a specialized tool like VidIQ helps you nail your titles and descriptions to make sure your videos actually get found by the YouTube algorithm.
So here's the bottom line. The barrier to entry for animation hasn't just been lowered, it's been completely demolished. And while thousands of people might see this information, only a tiny, tiny fraction will actually do something about it. And that right there creates a massive opportunity for those who do.
This technology doesn't just make things easier, it unlocks a universe of creative possibilities for anyone with an idea. The tools are here, the audience is waiting, and they are hungry for content. So the only question left is, what story will you tell?